Each of us have a deep passion for the work that we do, and that's what makes this one-of-one car truly Olsen spec. You're watching Olsen Spec.
Old school feels you.
What are you trying to say?
You're a classic. You're not that
Oh,
one.
thanks, pal.
So we're starting somewhere a little different for the Blue Angel project. Tim has begun assembling the engine for the car. Now originally this was a 3.2, but we've had it bored out to a 3.7 liter. There's a very specific reason why we did. Now LN Engineering did the work for us, and simply put, they are the absolute best at manufacturing Porsche engine parts. And luckily for us, they're in the greater Chicagoland area. Oh, okay, fine. Moments is pretty far out there, but it's not that bad of a drive. They actually have a really cool basketball court. When I was in high school, I played there. I'm sorry, I'm getting off track. Anyways, we use LN Engineering. And the reason why we went with 3.7 liters is that is the largest diameter boring out you can do while maintaining the stock crank and rod sizes. Another important factor of that is that you get to keep air conditioning with this car. Now, I want to remind everyone, we are not building race cars. We are building the very best road cars. So guess what? We want big power and we want AC. And that's the best way to get it done.
Right here, I'm checking to see if that is going to clear my oil pump. It looks like it will. I'm holding it straight up. Looks like it will.
Now, there's a lot more we need to touch on with this engine, but we're going to get back to that in a little bit because I'm sure you've missed what our marvelous metal magician Alex has been up to. He's going to be finishing up the front bumper today, and honestly, I love watching this guy work. So everyone, sit back, relax, and enjoy a master at his work. Dare you! Son of a... Weld it again. Take it apart. Do it over. You son of a...
Hi, Cam. Bye, Cam. Alex! Stop running away.
It's just like Michael Myers.
Yep.
Just like slowly creeping, no matter how fast I go.
All right.
Like the cop from Terminator.
Spoiler time.
Hey, is that GoPro on?
Hmm?
You, Sam.
Nice. I mean, I don't know how drastic to go, you know?
What, like height-wise, you're saying?
No, like angle. Like, because this is too
That's too straight.
straight.
What if we put the angle finder on the trunk and just revert, you know, if it says 20, we can try 20.
Yeah.
I don't know if that would, aesthetically it might be like perfect, you know what I mean?
I could maybe tape it too there. Like this, I guess.
It's the fact that I'm gonna be also in the video, like hunched over,
Just
like an
creeping.
idiot. And Dave's like, you look like an idiot no matter what.
The angle before I cut it.
I want to clarify, it's nowhere near Christmas. We aren't even to Halloween yet, and Tim put those up. So I'm sorry for the confusion. It's not Christmas, it's not even December. But it's up. No, he was on this. Well,
Where's the Don?
he's on the phone, but they're just yakking away.
I want you to do like a Godfather theme. Like where's the Don? And like
Where's the Don?
What's up? You got a mic too?
I got my
What do we got here? Setting up the spoiler angle?
spoiler angle, spoiler design,
Okay.
with our fancy cardboard.
So we're thinking a radius on the back a little bit.
Yeah, kind of.
Can't do flat with a sharp corner, right?
No, because if we go flat across, then these corners are gonna be larger,
Yeah,
and then that'll keep this uniform.
yeah.
It's 6 inches now, so it'll be 6 inches all the way through.
Yeah. And this is similar to like this. Even the
Yeah.
trunk has a radius. It's not perfectly straight.
Yeah.
And then what, did we, on the angle set, did we try this angle reverse, or is it a little more, a little less?
We did like a more of a obtuse angle.
Didn't look good.
Nah, it was too straight up and down. This is a little more aggressive.
I think the angle looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the side. You want to get a side profile here, Sam?
We could go more.
You know, this is for the visionaries where we put the piece of cardboard here and kind of squint our eyes, and then we can kind of see it all come together before it's actually there.
And it's like active arrow. Look at this.
Are you gonna run behind the car and move that while he's driving?
We'll have like a cable in the,
Oh,
on the inside.
oh,
active
cable.
arrow.
We can put like a bicycle brake lever, you know, next to the e-brake, you know.
Yeah, let's do
Mechanical arrow.
Yeah, when it was more upright, it felt kind of like a cup car. You know how they have those spoilers that are really upright.
Yeah. And then how far are we gonna go up that grill? Well, this is gonna go in, right?
Yeah, but I feel like that's kind of wide though. Like if we go with, I wanted to take off maybe 2 of them
From the bottom.
from the bottom. Yeah.
I think it goes the other way.
No, it goes this way. Cause
Oh, I see.
so this has to have, I don't know, maybe like a 1-inch border all the way around, and then, you know, from us to transition from here to there, we kind of, I don't know, maybe one or two. It'll give us more depth here. Because if we just put that in there, it's just like all grill, and we can't go like straight to the top because I have to make a border where this kind of resets into.
I see what you're saying. And you think this is too skinny?
Yeah, it will be kind of like a,
So we want to get rid of the last 2 bars
yeah, maybe 2.
so we can make a nice curve.
Yeah,
And-
a nice transition into this.
And then what, maybe like 3/4 thick or ½ inch?
I think whatever
Half
nice,
inch, like the bumper?
yeah.
And match the
lower
lower lip
lip,
on the
yeah.
bumper? Yeah, let's keep that the
I
same.
think that's like either 5/8 or 3/4. I remember.
Yeah. I'm with that.
Okay.
That's,
Because
That's-
I gotta make a border all the way around, so I gotta trim these all the
yeah.
way on both sides.
Yeah, I'm with that. Well, we're gonna get rid of the 2 lower bars. Then we're gonna bring our radius in for the wing. Obviously, it's gonna have some slight rounded corners. Same style lip as the bottom of the front bumper, so that our sizes match. That's it. I think it'll be gangster. One of a kind, one off, one of one. Nobody else has it. No one else is gonna have it because we won't do it again.
No.
You know, we like to do a little different each time. We like to send a different color each time. Once this car gets the blue color, that color will be unavailable for anybody else to get it. That's it.
Let's say, Alex, we actually haven't recapped exactly to camera what happened. So talk me through it. Why are you doing this?
He wants big wing.
He wants a full hog.
Yeah, full whale tail, like a giant whale tail.
It's a big old catch.